defense, you're just gonna hit it nice and loud again, like, and then hold your spot.
Your mic on?
Cool. I think so.
No, you're doing.
Okay. So.
Hey, have them come in.
All right, get closer since we're done blowing whistles. I don't want to be in the center of the circle anymore. Oh, I have to be in front of the camera. I'm gonna go this way then. Okay, so we're gonna go over kind of the mechanics, so like how you're signaling your fouls. And so when you do it, you want to be nice and like loud and proud with it. So you need to be holding your mechanics high and confidently, because if you don't, they're gonna question you and be quicker to yell at you. So I'm gonna go through and kind of say some of them. We saw them on the slides yesterday, so I'm gonna just see if you guys know them. So first is timeout. It's like, just let them know timeout.
This is always his player. Yeah, that's what we're like.
Okay, what about touchdown? Good, and make sure your arms are bent. Yeah, because if you do them straight, kind of looks kind of like you're doing safety. Make sure you bend it a little bit. Okay, now safety. Good job. What about holding? Cool. Illegal contact. Pass interference. Cool. Do you want to do it? Delay of game. And even if you don't know it, just if you see other people doing it, pull it up, think about it. Illegal shift. Both. This is what I did wrong yesterday, y'all. Now what's illegal motion?
Legal shift is more than one person moving, more than one hand. Legal motion is one person moving, one hand.
Illegal. Unsportsmanlike conduct. Illegal participation. Cool. Good job.
Is that really it?
Be confident with it, guys.
Yeah. I think Andy said it's like a coach going like, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Who let you on my feet? Yeah.
Who let you play?
Loss of down.
One hand on your head.
Put this man in the PowerPoint.
Okay, now this is like co-rec games. What signals an open play? Yep, just your hand open to the side. What about close? Good job. Flag guarding. This is the one you need to know. It's gonna happen all the time. Good job, guys. Okay, now false start. Illegal snap. Nope. Tricked ya. You just keep on rolling it out, y'all. Illegal formation. Keep on rolling it. All of those. When in doubt, roll it out, y'all. Okay, and like I said, when you do it and you report it, you want to make sure that you're saying stuff loud and you're showing your mechanics really loud and proud. And so also, if you're not the ref and you're trying to signal to them what happened, you want to make sure they can tell what you're signaling.
What about incomplete pass? You don't need to do it more than 2 times. So
Keep doing
gotta
it.
just like.
No.
Yeah. Just once if you're doing that. Just once. Please.
Good?
Okay.
Hey, I see you.
You good?
Okay.
Yeah, I have to go over like doing penalty, announcing penalty.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, so if you're the ref and you see your back judge throws a flag, you're gonna go and walk over to them and get the penalty from them. And then you're gonna go and you're gonna first silently announce it. So let's say it was flag guarding on the offense, so you just go and you say, just to signal it. And then you're gonna go over to the defense and you're gonna let them know, hey, it was flag guarding on the offense, do you wanna accept it? And they're gonna say, yeah, sure. So then you're gonna go and you're gonna get the pucks and you're gonna pick it up. And how many yards is flag guarding? 5. Okay, so you'll like pick up and you're gonna take them back 5, so you just walk it off. You're gonna put it down and then you're gonna show them and you're gonna say, flag guarding on the offense, it's a 5-yard penalty, repeat, second down, or whatever it is. So What do you do first if you see a flag on the field and you're ref? What do you do next? Next.
Ask them what they want to do.
Okay, and then what do you do after that?
Do it. And then announce it.
All right.
Well, you move the.
Move pucks, yep, exactly. Now, we had 2 color pucks, orange and yellow. Which one was which? These people are learning. All right, that's all I got.
All right, let's go inside.